Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Right, I thought I'd just show you why we've been so busy and there's not been that much content, and it's because we've been converting this place. So what we have, we've got, so this used to be a garage, so now we've all knocked it through, put twin windows on. So we have took the wall out here and across there and made it a massive open plan kitchen dining room with a snugs area, I suppose. So yeah, so it's actually turned out really well, really happy with it. We've got the designer radiators on. We've also made a bit of a feature of the actual pipe work and we've polished all that up for them, so I think that looks really smart, to be honest. So we've got the matching radiators all the way down, so we've changed all the windows at the front. We've also had the windows and door changed for the back, so that's all sorted. So we've had new flooring down, so it's been a complete makeover. So it's been very busy, so a bit too busy to record it, to be fair, so I apologise for that, but such is life. So we've also done a full test on the property, so we've had a new board that we've put on, so we've got a fuse box as usual with a single SPD, so that's in there. So we've got plinth lights in, which I think again looks really cool. Now one of the lads messaged me about how do I get over, we've got integrated here, so integrated washing machine, and we're still keeping the light flow all the way through. So what I use on there is basically the little metal black brackets that you can get in, so you can use those for the stud wall, so you know, like the stud brackets, I suppose they're called. That's what I use on there. Now we can't do it on this one because this is an integrated dishwasher, because of the angle that dips down like that. There's no way you're going to be able to get that on without seeing it, because it'd have to actually stick down here and come across. But in fairness, I think it actually looks better this way. I think it looks really smart on here. We've got undercab lights as well going on, so yeah, overall came out really well. We've put new security burglary alarm in here, created, it's like a mini utility area over there. So yeah, so busy boys. So like I say, just a quick video, just keep you updated on what we've been up to. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up if you like it, and catch you later.